Hey everyone, Phil, 33 Mile Bees. I'm gonna do a quick short video. I had a couple extra minutes. Come out to one of my out yards and see if there's any survivors here. I have not even been out here since I think November. So I don't know what we got, but I'm not gonna go through them. I'm just gonna take a quick look at them, see how they're doing, and see how many survivors we got. So just walking up here, I'll flip you around. All right, as I'm just going to take a quick look. I'm not going to go in them, I don't think. They're coming in and out of that crack. This one's doing good. That bottom board need to get replaced. They're also coming in up top. All right, so this one here, I don't know why that one's turned sideways like that. Probably critter tried getting in. There we go, that one's good. Let's see, like I said, I don't have a veil or smoke or anything. All I brought is a hive tool. This one ain't looking too good here. Yeah, this one's got a little cluster. That one's still alive. This one don't look too promising here. Oh, I am wrong. So this one's alive. Check out this last one. Feels pretty light. It's only about 45 degrees this time here. Let's see, I see a couple bees here. All right, this video might be a little choppy. And oh, that one's even got the apiary strip still in it. Video's gonna be a little choppy. I don't know what's going on with the battery. Keep saying that the battery's too low, even though it's got 80-some%. But anyways, looks like for this yard, oh come on. Oh, I'm gonna set you down for a second here. So anyways, for this yard, looks like we got 100% survival on this. So it ends up, everything else I got, that puts me about, actually puts me at 20 colonies. So yeah, I'm surprised this yard did as good as what it did. I didn't put anything extra on them, you know, through the winter or anything like that. So we'll see what happens. I'll try and get myself back up to around 60 colonies again this year. I got 20 to make splits off of. That'll get me up to 40. Hopefully I can get me around, I don't know, 20 swarms. Seems to be roughly how many I get. So other than that, that's all I got for you for today. So have a good one, stay warm, and hopefully spring's here finally. Catch y'all later.